So we got a major development for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Crypto.com is going to be listing Bone. Yep, you heard me right. Wasn't even something that was on our radar. Honestly, it was just kind of like, boom, here it is. It's really cool. We're going to go take a look at that. We're going to look at the price action of Bone. We're also going to talk about what this listing really means in the grand scheme of things. We'll also look at what's going on with SHIB in the overall market right now. Thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe and drop a like. Tell the algorithm that we are here. So here it is, officially from Crypto.com's Twitter feed. Crypto.com exchange list Bone. Trade the Bone USD pair. So there's your pairing. This was approximately 3 hours ago from the recording of this video. And there you go. It's official. You can't get any more simple than that. Okay. So this is a big thing. Now here's the interesting part about this. Right now, the price of Bone is not skyrocketed. It's not like going through the roof because of this. And I kind of expected a little bit more of a pump for Bone because of this listing with Crypto.com. But I think inherently we got a situation playing out where the overall market has turned really bearish. We're down about 2%. Bitcoin moving down, Ethereum moving down. In fact, right now, SHIB itself is down about 3.5+%, dropping below that 1-2 range, now down into the 1-1, high 1-1-8-9 range, if you will. And Bone itself, let me show you what's going on with Bone. Bone has not, garnered any major movement reflective to this Crypto.com announcement. I think that is an indicator. Now the volume is up 7.9. I think that's an indicator of the overall bearish momentum and kind of bearish trend and sentiment that we're seeing right here, right now in the overall crypto market. Okay. But back to why this is a big deal. The reason that Bone is a big deal on Crypto.com is access, is millions and millions of people who only trade on Crypto.com. They don't trade on DEXs, things of that nature, now have access to be able to buy Bone. And I think that inherently is what it comes down to. This was, if you go back in time to when Shiba Inu, the token itself, was getting kind of up and running, it was all of those exchanges aggregate and adding up that ultimately led to just access, people being able to buy Shiba Inu token. Now, am I comparing Bone to SHIB? Only in the context of access, being, like meaning the people who only have Crypto.com accounts and they only trade on that exchange. We want those people to have access to be able to buy Bone. There you go. That's the important component of this. And so as we see more and more exchanges list Bone, which I fully expect we will, because of the proliferation of Shibarium and all that's coming around that, this will be a good thing. Thanks for your support. I'll see you later. Have a good one. Take care.